Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is exciting. I really didn't expect this. I got another box today as well that I cannot wait to film for you guys. But this one also, I was surprised how quickly it arrived. This is the Walmart limited edition box. I always was upgrading whenever it was an option, and then I felt I was missing out on the regular box, and I got very lucky with the Walmart seasonal box. I got mine early. So these are boxes that I pay like $6.98, I think is the price for the regular. That one has already been posted, so if you haven't seen that, you simply go where it says True Wants right under the video, click on that, and then it will bring you to another window that you will see videos, and then you'll be able to see all the videos that are in there. And if the Walmart is what you're interested, just in the search bar, simply type in Walmart, and then you will get all the Walmart videos. So that one we already opened up, and I was always, like I said, felt like I was missing out when I would upgrade from that box. So I finally decided to open up a second account to get the limited edition boxes. And usually you get an email for those, and I didn't. But when I went into the account to check something in reference to tracking, I saw that there was a banner that said limited edition box. So I went in to see if it was still available, and it was. So I grabbed it because it was one that I didn't get here on the channel, and I always like to try to show you, if there's more than one box, I like to be able to show you both. So the $6.98, they're both seasonal, but sometimes they do these limited edition boxes so that if you only have one account, which is what I had, you can choose to upgrade, which means you don't get the box that is on your account, you get this upgraded box. And the upgraded box, they always show you what's going to be in it. So you always have time to make those decisions. But I decided I would have two accounts. This way, I will always get the $6.98 seasonal, which I enjoy so much. And then I figured if I wanted to upgrade, I will do that on this other account. Now I did all of this literally, I think maybe a week ago, and I'm shocked that this box arrived today. So this is the limited edition box. This cost $12.98. The variation that I got is V23. And like I said, the notes that I have on here is exactly what it says is going to be in the box. The brochure looks the same from the outside, but on the inside, it's solely the items that are going to be in this box. When you get the other box, there's different variations and there's all these options. So if you haven't seen that video, I really hope that you will take the time to watch it, because it was a really good one as well. And I think this is a really nice treat because it's only $7 and it's seasonal, which means you only get it during the season. So this is the winter box right now. So what they wrote on here is they're saying, time for a little TLC. Winter Radiance has arrived. Kick off this season with a self-care with Skin Savers, pampering picks, and hydrating hair heroes. They're saying it's all under $20 each, and they've rounded up the faves to keep you feeling glowy all season long. And then they're telling you can shop these brands at Walmart. Now the first one, ironically, there were a lot of options when I showed you the line on my original box, and it was this item here. And you don't know what you're going to get in any of the boxes except for the limited edition. So this one here, I'm going to leave for the save for later. And then I'm going to pull out the one here that I already tested and shared with you in that video. So that's why I want you to check that video out. This is the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. This is around a $10 value on its own. So the mascara pretty much pays for the entire limited edition box. So this one here is a lash plumping mascara. It has a beautiful full brush, but like I said, it has a little bit of a curve to it too. But like I said, I shared with you my thoughts and everything in that original video, so I'm going to leave it at that. The next item that was in here is another one that looks like a really nice size. And this is from Cetaphil. And this is a healing ointment. They're saying this is also full size for the 3 ounce, which is what this is. And this is also $10. So do you see what I mean by the value of this box? And Cetaphil is an absolutely fantastic product line. And actually earlier in my life when I was having some trouble with my skin, and the dermatologist, the first thing he recommended was this brand. And he says it's really fantastic for sensitive skin. So the one that we have in here is the healing ointment. They're saying it is a skin protectant. It is dry, chapped, or irritated skin. It protects and relieves. It's free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, fragrance, and is suitable even for babies. So that is what this is here. The next item that was in here is one that this is such a standard that has been in my arsenal. I can't even tell you for how many years. This brand has been around for a really long time, but they have ones that are available unscented, which is what I always chose for myself, because they also have ones with rose petal. And the one that's rose petal in this one is a really strong rose scent. And if you're familiar with my channel, the rose scent for me, unless it's fresh cut stem ones, are in actual skincare or things like that, is something that for me, it triggers my migraine, so it's something I try to stay away from. But what I like about this one, which I didn't know, is this one is cucumber. And this is a witch hazel toner. This is also available in a lot of different sizes. The one that they gave us here is an 8.5 fluid ounce. They're saying is, the one in the box, sorry, is a 3 fluid ounce, but the normal size, which is an 8.5 fluid ounce, is only like $8. So it's really, really reasonably priced. And if you're an oily skin girl or a combo like I am, these are the type of toners that I gravitated to because it has witch hazel in it as well. So excited to try the cucumber scent. So that's the next item that is in here. The next item that is in here is another one that I only got in a small sample size before. And it's really intriguing. This is called the Completely Smooth Moisturizing No Bump Shaving Gel. The full size of this would be 6 ounces, and that runs around $13. And what they put in here is a 2 fluid ounce. But the one that I got in another box was such a small sample. So this is really more than a deluxe. This is more like travel size. And what this is, it says it's called Completely Bare is the brand. And it says completely smooth, and it says it has a fresh scent. And it's a moisturizing no bump shave gel. It also has aloe vera oil as well as jojoba, and it is dermatology tested. So this is another new brand that I'm gonna have the opportunity to really like try. Then after that, they put in here, which they seem to put in a lot of their boxes. They put it also in the lower end one too, but for some reason I got 2 in my box. I think you should only be getting 1, but this one is the Liquid IV Hydrating Multiplier and Immune Support. It is in tangerine. The full size of this, they're saying, is a 6 count, and they're $10. And a couple of you have shared with me in your comments that you really, really like this product. And this one that we got this time around is in tangerine, and they're both in tangerine. And when I got it in the other Walmart boxes, this same brand, this one here I got in different flavors. So this is a newer one to be able to try, but I think the tangerine was also in the original box that I opened up. That is the seasonal one, that's for $6.98. And then the one that really surprised me that was in here was this really fantastic package from this brand called Heritage, and it's by Mindy McKnight. And I was reading up on this Heritage brand, and they have a whole line of hair care products that have phenomenal reviews. So this is Call It a Night, and it's a satin pillowcase that's in here, and it is the full size. There's 1 in here, and it's $9.94. I don't know if the others will get different colors, but I got this gorgeous silver color in here, and it feels like so scrumptious. So this says, our Call It a Night satin pillowcase reduces friction for less tangles and frizz in your hair. It's smooth surface. It's also great for your skin. This is 100%, they're saying, polyester. The brand again is Heritage by Mindy. And this is made in China, but it's distributed in Los Angeles, California. If you haven't had the opportunity, which I have in other boxes, to get these fantastic gifts where they usually do a pillowcase with like an eye mask that's also made out of that satiny material. I have already 2 of them on my bed, and I've given away so many of these to friends and family. because I really feel it made a difference. And I also grew up where my mother had one of these satin pillowcases on her bed. She felt it kept her hair longer, as well as helping with the wrinkles and the breakage. I also find I stay a little bit cooler with these also when I sleep with them at nighttime. So I think that's an absolute treat. So I shared with you, I mean, we have three full sizes in here that are at least $10 each. And like I said, I only paid $12.98 for this. So this is a full size for $10. The mascara was $10 and the Cetaphil was $10. So the value in here, I think, is absolutely phenomenal. And then you get the opportunity to get a travel size of like a standard that should be in everybody's arsenal. To me, a new product for me, and then a treat inside here as well. So that's everything that I have to share with you for the Walmart limited edition box for the winter of 2022. And like I said, this cost me $12.98. It came free shipping to my door. I think with tax and everything, it cost me $13.89. And that's it for today. So once again, the volume that I received was variation number 23. And this is the Walmart limited edition box. Please share with me in the comments down below if you get the Walmart box, and if you did like me before where you upgraded your original, or did you also set up 2 separate accounts so that you can still treat yourself to the upgrade but still get the seasonal box that's $6.98. I think this is a fantastic little treat for yourself, and like I said, it's seasonal, so it only comes like 4 times a year. Take care. That's it for today. Everyone continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.